The first ever all-faith crematorium built by the Pinchongkla VEC and the Maurangkening block was inaugurated today by the DC East Khasi Hills Isawanda Lalu at Umprop village in the presence of the BDO Maurangkening block, Sri R. Walang, MCS. With only 72 job card holders, majority of whom are women, the all-faith crematorium was built by the VEC at the cost of Rs 6,50,000. The Deputy Commissioner, while inaugurating the crematorium, lauded the Maurangkening block and the VEC in particular for being far-sighted and bringing forth an idea of an all-faith crematorium for the residents of the village. Sri R. Walang in his speech appreciated the VEC for being united in purpose and for implementing projects with dedication and transparency. He expressed pride that Umprop village has set an example for others to emulate when it comes to unity in diversity. The idea of all-faith crematorium was conceived by the VEC after deliberations within the village community on paucity of space for burial grounds. The proposal was put forward to the block office, which approved the novel project. In the same program, 2 water harvesting structures were inaugurated. The WHS, built through MGNREGA, seeks to augment the water source in the village and ensure sustainable and judicious supply of water to village residents. Both the DC and the BDO lauded the VEC Pedengshonong Umprop for their vision of a self-sufficient village in as far as availability of potable water is concerned. The inaugural program was marked by traditional dance and song on the theme of water rejuvenation and the unity among the village residents.